So, Min, what does Tet really mean to you?
For me, Tet is more than just a holiday. It feels like a reset button for life.
A reset button? What do you mean?
At the end of the year, everyone feels tired. Work is stressful, life is busy. But when Tet comes, everything slows down. People stop working, they go home, they focus on family. It feels like we can breathe again.
That sounds peaceful. Is family the most important part of Tet?
Yes, definitely. During the year, many people work far away from home. Some work in big cities, some even work abroad. Tet is the time when everyone tries to come back, even if the trip is long, even if it is expensive.
So it's like a reunion.
Exactly. When the whole family sits together for the New Year's Eve meal, there is a special feeling. It's warm, it's emotional. Sometimes grandparents just sit quietly and smile. That moment is very meaningful.
I didn't know Tet had such deep meaning. I thought it was just about food and lucky money.
Many people think that, but food and lucky money are symbols. For example, Bonshung represents the earth. It reminds us of our roots. Lucky money is not about the money, it's about giving good wishes for the new year.
What kind of wishes?
Health, peace, success, happiness. Simple things, but very important.
I see. Do people change during Tet?
Yes, I think so. Before Tet, people clean their houses, but they also try to clean their hearts. They forgive old problems. They try not to argue. They want to start fresh.
That's beautiful. In some countries, New Year is just a big party.
Tet can be joyful too. There are flowers, decorations, laughter, but inside it feels calm. It feels reflective. People think about the past year. They think about their goals. They hope the next year will be better.
Do you have a favorite memory of Tet?
Yes, when I was a child, I loved the morning of the first day. I wore new clothes, I visited my grandparents, the house smelled like traditional food. Everything felt new and hopeful. Even now, when I smell incense or see peach blossoms, I feel that same warmth.
That sounds very special. Do you think Tet is changing nowadays?
Yes, a little. Life is more modern now. Some traditions are simpler, but the heart of Tet is still the same. Family, gratitude, hope.
I like that. Family, gratitude, and hope.
Yes, that is Tet.